Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace rubber on the wiper blade for Range Rover Sport. That's model L461. Also it applies to Range Rover model L460. That's manufactured from 2022. For this video I'm going to remove wiper blade from the arm. You don't need to do it. You can do it while the wiper blades fitted, but for this video to show more details I will remove it first. So to remove it, you press the button and pull the wiper from the arm. Wiper looks like that. It has that's water supply and that's heating system, so that's the power cables. Everything is on the arm and the spray bars are across the wiper. Okay, we've got wiper blade of the arm. We've got replacement rubber. That's Alka Germany replacement rubber. This rubber, it's 28-inch long. We're gonna cut it to the size because on Range Rover and Range Rover Sport you've got two different sizes, but it's shorter than 28-inch, so that's more than enough. So we're gonna take off rubber first, and then we will cut the new rubber to the size of the old one. Okay, to remove this rubber, we need to pull it down, and there is a gap where you can slide off rubber and take off rubber from blade. So now we've got that is this gap where you can take off the rubber. Yeah, for this step we're gonna need sharp scissors. Like you can see, that's the old rubber here, and we've got the new one at the top. And what I'm gonna do, just mark the end. So I've got mark it, and now I can cut it. Yeah, that's good enough. We've got the same length as the old one, and now we're gonna fit it to old wiper. Okay, we've got rubber cut it to correct length. We're gonna slide it into the old wiper. We're gonna use this first two spaces. So we start it and slowly slide it into the place. Like I said, you don't need to take off the wiper blade from the car, but it's much easier if you don't want to do it in rain. Then we need to push the rubber as much as we can, so the rubber is in place all length. It's very important to leave a little bit of space so rubber can slightly move while wiping. So yeah, that's fitted. We've got new rubber on old blade. Those blades are quite pricey, can be about £200 for a pair, and that saves you a lot of money, and you've got old pad with new rubber blade. Hope that helps and save you some money. Thank you for watching.